Welcome to the Quick Wins with Canva, fast design tools for teaching and learning, part of NCFE's Professional Development Week and our Quick Wins free taster sessions. In this short session, I'll introduce you to Canva's powerful features that can save you time, boost creativity and support student engagement, all without needing any design experience. In this short session, we'll walk through some quick practical tips with Canva that you can start using right away. First, we'll look at how Canva can help you design more engaging and creative learning materials, even if you don't have a background in design. We'll explore the key features of Canva Design School, and next I'll show you how to design a range of useful content like posters, revision cards and infographics using simple tools. We'll also cover how to collaborate with your students in real time using Canva team features, perfect for group projects and peer-led tasks, and finally we'll look at how to design for both print and digital formats so your materials work seamlessly across classrooms, screens and virtual learning platforms. Canva for Education is completely free for teachers and students. It's a user-friendly platform where you can design posters, worksheets, presentations and much more. Simply sign up with your education email to access thousands of free templates tailored for classroom use. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to get started, no design experience needed. So once you've set up a Canva design or school account, so through your school email address, you will be able to get access to the free Canva school. You have lots of helpful videos on there, quick sheets, activities to help you understand really how to use the different functions and templates that are available for the Canva school. As I don't have access to the full school suite, when I show some examples later, that will take into the fact that I have some limitations in my account. But I wanted to show you where you can access all these videos at the Canva Design School. So you can explore everything. And as you can see, there's absolutely loads of things to help support. There are courses that you can undergo from beginners, and you can focus on specific skills. You can pick teachers, and we can filter it that way, so apply, there you go. So you've got Canva for the classroom, teacher assessors, AI in the classroom, Canva design skills for students, for lessons, again we'll change that to teachers, and you've got how to add and customize text, creating engaging assignments, graphic organizers, absolute loads of lessons there. There are videos as well for teachers, so you can watch various videos and various lengths, and there are activities that you can do as well, like polls and quizzes for mobile, learning playground, AI empowered lessons. And finally, there are also some cheat sheets as well, which are always useful to have at hand as well. So this is a really good school that you get access to and resource to really help support you understand the different components of Canva and how to use that in your delivery. And we'll look at it overall today from some quick benefits and why you should explore Canva within your lessons. Canva offers several clear benefits that make it ideal for busy teachers. First, it's time saving. With thousands of ready-made templates, you can quickly create materials without needing to start from scratch, and no design experience is required. Secondly, it enhances your creativity. Whether it's posters, worksheets or presentation, you can design eye-catching content with just a few clicks. Next, Canva supports collaboration. You can easily share your work with students or colleagues and co-edit in real time. Great for team planning or resource sharing. It's also accessible. Canva works on laptops, tablets and smartphones, so you can create or edit for anywhere, even on the go. And finally, it's incredibly versatile. You're not limited to classroom materials. You can also create newsletters, social media graphics, learning journals, and more, all within the same platform. Canva isn't just for teachers, it's a fantastic tool for students too. Firstly, it drives engagement. Students become more actively involved in their learning when they can create their own material, tapping into their creativity. It also supports learning by doing. Whether they're designing infographics or revision cards, students apply their knowledge in a visual and meaningful way. Then there's the development of real-world skills. Canva helps students build confidence in digital literacy, communication and design, all valuable in the modern workplace. It encourages collaboration too. Students can work together on shared projects, giving and receiving feedback and building team skills. And finally, it's accessible. Canva's user-friendly design means that even students with no prior experience can pick it up quickly and start producing quality work. Let's take a look at some of the Canva key features and how they translate into subject-specific teaching benefits. First, real-time collaboration allows teachers and students to work together to design simultaneously. For example, in history, students might co-create a timeline of key events, editing and adding research together in real time. Next, Canva supports easy integration of different media. In art lessons, students can upload their artwork, create digital mock-ups and receive feedback using text or even video annotations. Pre-made templates are another huge benefit. In maths, for instance, teachers can use templates to quickly build worksheets that students complete directly in Canva, with space to submit their answers right back. Canva also enables simple tracking of student progress. Literature teachers can monitor how students develop their infographic projects, summarising chapters and provide feedback as they go. Finally, customisable design tools mean students can personalise their work. In science, this might include designing an infographic about the water cycle, choosing colour icons and fonts that enhance understanding. These features not only make lessons more engaging, but also give learners ownerships and creativity in their work. One of Canva's greatest time-saving tools is its extensive template library. You'll find a huge variety of templates ready to use, from posters and flyers to social media graphics, revision cards and infographics. They are designed with education in mind, so you don't have to start from scratch. Every template is fully customizable. You can quickly update the text, change colours, swap out images and adjust the layout to match your specific subject or learning goal. It's as simple as drag, drop and tweak, perfect for busy classrooms and creative teaching. Let's walk through how you can create learning resources quickly using Canva. Start with revision cards. Step 1. Begin by choosing a revision card template that suits your subject. Add your own subject-specific content. This can include keywords, diagrams, icons or prompts for students. And 3. Customize the colours, fonts and layouts to suit your learners or your lesson theme. With posters, you can select a poster template, for example, for an upcoming class event or enrichment opportunity. Step 2. Add your content, change the fonts, drop in images and insert all the key details your learner needs. And finally, save the poster as high quality image or PDF. You can print it for display or share it digitally on your platform of choice. Each of these tasks can be done in minutes, making Canva an excellent tool for fast, engaging content creation. One of Canva's most powerful features is its ability to support real-time collaboration with students, perfect for interactive and creative learning tasks. You can share designs directly with students, allowing them to edit, comment and contribute, all within the same project. This opens opportunity for group work, peer feedback and collaborative classroom design tasks, like co-creating posters, digital portfolios or even revision materials. To get started, simply share a design link or better still, invite students to join your Canva team. That way everyone has access to the same space, making it seamless to manage collaborative projects. Canva makes it easy to design for both physical and digital use, giving you flexibility no matter how you deliver your content. For print, you can create high-quality posters, classroom handouts or worksheets that are ready to be pinned to notice boards or handed out in lessons. For digital, your designs are already optimised for sharing online, whether that's in a virtual classroom, on your school website or through social media channels. When you're ready to export your design, you can download it in a JPEG, PNG or PDF formats. Choose a smaller file size for quicker uploading and sharing online, or select high quality settings for crisp, professional looking printouts. This adaptability makes Canva a brilliant tool for hybrid teaching environments.
So welcome to this quick demo. So as I mentioned earlier, you will have access to, as a teacher, Canva Education, and you can access a plethora of sort of templates and resources as part of that, such as revision cards and so on. As I just have sort of a personal Canva account, I don't have access to as many templates as you will as part of the free Canva Education. But what I can access here is an exam revision. So what I've done is I've logged in. This is my home page. I go to templates and I search for revision. You can see all these sort of templates that already exist. So if you want to preview any, so get it sort of larger, you just click on those three dots and you preview this template, and that way you can see more clearly what is included within the template. So I'm going to pick this revision checklist for our students. So I've clicked on that and clicked customize template. So what you can see here is lots of design elements on the left-hand side. You can have elements that you can then add and then change and adapt. You have text where you can sort of add and edit text. So with text that's already on, I'm going to zoom in on this a little for you. With any text or anything like that that's already on, you may want to explore sort of colors, logos, that sort of side of it. So an example of how you would do that here is you would click on there and see at the top where it has text colors. You can then put a hex code in here. So if you have specific college branding colors, you can utilize that and change the templates and so on to sort of adjust with that. So going back to elements, obviously we've got understanding here is stars, but I could delete that and I could change that to a smiley face, make that a little smaller so it fits in line with the stars, and pop them on instead. And we could do smiley faces along there. It's entirely up to you what you would like to do to sort of update these, generate these, make these more useful for you and your students. You can also sort of upload any images as well. So for example, these are our NCFE branded logos, but you may have logos as part of your centre that you need to use within any student resources, and you could upload any images and add those as well. Now, how do you then share this? So you've got a couple of options. So as part of your Canva education, you will set up groups with your students in so that the students can then access it. And you can share this virtually straight with your students so they can actually interact with any document, anything that you create virtually. Alternatively, you can download it, and you can download it as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF to print. And then you can download it and then you could print it off and you could then have a paper version as well. However, it's quite nice, the idea around sort of the digital version that helps sort of encourage environmentally friendly practice, and some elements that you create in Canva you really want your students to collaborate on or reflect on or your feedback on, depending on what it is that you're creating. So with that, I would then share with your groups, your student groups, and they can then access and utilize. So that was just a quick run through of Canva. Now it's sort of your turn to sort of engage with the revision cards, posters, and more with Canva for Education. And explore lots of features that you can use within your next lesson.
Let's finish with a few key takeaways. First, Canva is an easy-to-use tool that helps you create engaging visual learning materials quickly and without needing a background in design. Second, it opens the door to collaboration. Students can work together, give feedback, and go create. And third, it's flexible, whether you're designing for display in the classroom or sharing online. Canva makes it simple to produce high-quality content. So what's next? Why not start experimenting with Canva for Education today? Try out a few templates, explore team sharing and see what works for your setting. And if you'd like more inspirations, head over to Canva Education for a website where you find templates, lesson ideas and free training to keep building your skills. Thank you for joining our Quick Wins with Canva session, part of the NCFE's Professional Development Week for July 25. We really value your feedback to help us improve future sessions and ensure they meet your needs. You can scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the below description to access the short feedback form. It only takes a minute to complete. Your insights really do make a difference. Thanks again for taking part and we hope you enjoy the rest of the Professional Development Week. Thank you so much for taking time to join this session. I hope you picked up some useful ideas. Enjoy the rest of the week and remember even small changes can have a big impact when it comes to engaging your learners.